今日咧好榮幸見到咁多朋友過嚟。我哋本來預係100人以下，而家咧我哋聽得有可能有120人出現嘅。尊敬各位政要、社區領袖、鄉親朋友、媒體朋友，大家好！非常感謝大家今天百忙之中出席加拿大開平文化協會成立記者招待會和亞裔文化月嘅活動。本人代表加拿大開平文化協會向各位的朋友表示最誠意嘅歡迎與感謝。開平是著名的華僑之鄉，也是世界文化遺產碉樓之鄉。多年來，無數開平鄉親遠跨世界各地努力拼搏，為當地社會作出貢獻，同時亦一直保留着團結、互助、重視教育、愛國愛鄉嘅優良精神。加拿大作為一個多元文化國家，有好多開平嘅鄉親早已在這裡生根，在商界、專業界、社區服務及慈善工作方面都有不少貢獻。因此，我們希望成為加拿大開平文化協會，大家團結鄉親，弘揚開平文化，同時促進中加文化交流，支持社區公益同埋青年嘅發展。過去幾個月，在多位理事、義工、鄉親等嘅支持，我一直以創會會長嘅身份，負責鄉親同埋協會籌備今日嘅記者招待會，包括建立開平鄉親聯絡平台，組織聚會、召開會議、聯絡3級政府，邀請社區領袖，同埋推動協會正式成立。過去幾個月，在多位理事、義工嘅幫助，我哋而家咧係特別要感謝所有嘅理事、義工、贊助商、朋友。如果冇你哋嘅支持，今天嘅活動唔會做得成功。同時，我喺呢度亦明白一個真正長遠嘅會嘅發展咧，需要完善嘅制度同埋正式嘅章程。所以未來協會將按正式程序逐步完善章程、會員制度及理事選舉等等，希望建立一個公開、團結、長遠發展嘅平台。我哋成立呢個協會，不只是為了懷念家鄉，更希望下一代能夠認識自己嘅文化嘅根源。等我哋開平嘅精神喺加拿大能夠延續下去。未來加拿大開平文化協會將積極辦文化教育、公益同埋青年交流嘅活動，加強社區聯繫，推動亞裔文化發展，並為加拿大社會作出更多正面嘅貢獻。最後，再次感謝 各位今天嘅來臨同埋支持，希望大家今後繼續支持加拿大開平文化協會，一起攜手努力為社區、為文化、為下一代共同創造更美好嘅未來。多謝大家。Let me short speech somewhere my note, the English one. Okay, give me a second. You know what? In this kind of event, I have to make it sort of formal. You know, I saw the news that Donald Trump visited China. He also read the notes, right? In USA, they don't have theater to do that. So I treat this very serious moment. That's why I need the notes. Distinguished guests, Mayor Frank Scapiti, Regional Councillor Alan Ho, my friend Gordon Chan somewhere, maybe he's coming soon, all the community leader and fellow friends, welcome to the official launch of the Canada Taiping Cultural Association and our celebration of Asian Heritage Month. Taiping is a renowned hometown of overseas Chinese and home to World Heritage Diaolo sites. For generations, Taiping descendants have flourished in Canada while holding our core value of unity, education, and community service. We established the association to unite our community and preserve our rich heritage. Over the past few months, as founding president, I have worked alongside our dedicated directors, volunteers, to build this platform, connecting with all levels of government and organizing our formal establishment. Our mission is twofold: to celebrate our cultural roots and to empower the next generation to carry the Taiping spirit forward. Moving forward, we will focus on cultural education, youth exchange, and community service to enrich Canada's multicultural fabric. I want to sincerely thank our sponsors and volunteers to make today possible. We look forward to your continued support as to build a vibrant and lasting legacy together. Thank you.
Thank you. 多謝晒 Joseph。
You know, I have to also thank you for Liang Jinhen.
Oh, thank you for having me here as an MC.
The MC of this event. So,
Thank you. OK, thank you. 多謝晒。其實我都要多謝咧，就係Joseph 啦，請我過嚟。